sound mappers. In this video, I want to show you how to use the 3 drawing tools within the Sonic Maps editor. These are the shapes that you're going to use and the path that you're going to use to place your sounds onto the map. All right, so and the 3 drawing tools are here on the right-hand side. They have the circle, the polygon, and the root marker. All right, so let's start with the circle. So if I click the circle, you get a crosshairs here. Your circle will be created from the center of where the crosshairs are. So I'm going to click and hold. And as long as I'm holding, I can adjust the size of my radius of my circle. When I let go of my trackpad or my mouse, I'm going to get the size of the circle that I want. So that's the first one. And then you can go over here on the right-hand side to add an audio file, add a name to the file, and text and image, and so on. Moving on to the next drawing tool, we've got a polygon. All right, and so this is for creating unusual shapes. So I'm going to click, 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 click. And so instead of clicking and holding, I'm clicking multiple times. And this is if you wanted to draw the shape of kind of an unusual land feature that you want the sound to follow. And so after the last node I'm making, I hit finish, and there you have kind of a polygon that, say you wanted to have it fit the shape of a park or a certain area, and you didn't want a circle, you could use that. So and your listener stepping anywhere within this shape would trigger the sound to play. Last up, we've got the root. So this is the root button here, and it works like the polygon in that you start by clicking, and you can click as many times as you want to create a path. When you're done your path, you go back up to the finish marker on the root menu, and you're given a route from A to B. All right, and that route from A to B can either be visible on the map for the listeners, so they can see which path they are going down, or it could be invisible to your listener, and you can just have the sounds going along that path. So there you go. Those are the 3 drawing tools that'll help you lay your sounds out into the world.